So, good afternoon to our panel, Sir Clint Ancuna, MAED, Sir Christian J. Parten, MAED, Sir Fernando Lagradilla, MIM, and to our advisor, Ma'am Christine Joy F. Illustre. So, this is my research title, The Role of Nutrition in Enhancing Basketball Performance and Student Academic Performance. My research objectives is the exact purpose of this study is to determine the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball performance in student academic performance as basis for intervention plan. Especially, it aimed to achieve the following objectives. First, to determine the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball performance of students. Second is to determine the students' academic performance. And third is to determine the relationships between the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball and student academic performance. So my result at the table 1 shows the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball performance of students. Data shows that among the 20 given statement that garnered the highest mean score of 3.66 describe as strongly agree that states that consistent meal patterns is crucial for maintaining my energy levels throughout the basketball season. The nutrition influenced my ability to prevent muscle fatigue during intense basketball schedules. Tables from the given statement, the following was described as strongly agree. Balanced diet is critical in maintaining my stamina during games, and carbohydrates is significant in providing the energy needed for high-intensity basketball games. Both obtain a mean score of 3.63, followed by a nutrition is important as physical training for basketball success. Nutrition is essential in improving basketball performance. Protein is important in aiding muscle recovery after games and practices. And a proper pre-game meal helps in improving my focus and decision making on the court. Obtain a mean score of 3.60. So moreover, the following statement was described as strongly agree. Nutrition is important as physical training for basketball success. Healthy fats in my diet support sustained energy and overall health. Vitamins and minerals is crucial in maintaining my bone strength and muscle function for basketball. And nutrition as important as physical training for basketball success. Obtain a mean score of 3.57. The post-game nutrition impacts how quickly I recover my next session. 3.54 followed by proper nutrition timing. Example is pre-game and post-game meals is vital for maximizing energy and recovery. Skipping meals can negatively affect my focus and endurance during games. Hydration is vital in preventing cramps and fatigue during games. Consistent nutrition habits is important for maintaining both physical and mental performance. And nutritional education is necessary for me to make me better dietary choices that enhance my basketball skills obtain a mean score of 3.49. So aside from the given statement, the following respondents strongly agree avoiding junk foods contributes to my long-term athletic performance 3.46. Then regular water intake during training and games ensure my optimal performance 3.43. And lastly, electrolyte replacement drinks is important for maintaining performance in extended play period, 3.37. Furthermore, it can be seen that the respondent describe the role of nutrition enhancing basketball performance of student as strongly agree as it got a composite mean score of 3.356. Here is my table of the result. So at the table 2, students' academic performance, it shows that students' academic performance of with the average of 89.57 equals to 90% described as good due to the boundary of the given interval. So next is my table 3, the relationship between the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball and student academic performance. So table 3 analyze the relationship between the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball and student academic performance. To do this, person products means correlation was used as all the data was analyzed and being interpreted. It shows that there is significant relationship between the role of nutrition enhancing basketball and student academic performance. So it shows also the test of correlation coefficient where the null hypothesis was rejected at 0.05 significance level. Having the data where R equals to 0.57 is greater than p-value of 0.00279, which is lesser than the 0.05 significance levels. So that makes the null hypothesis to be rejected, which means that the two variable have significance relationship. So my conclusion is the academic performance of basketball players in this study was exceptional with their grades consistently above 88. This indicates that they are able to maintain high academic standards while balancing the demands of their sports. Their ability to sustain such performance suggests strong time management and discipline. Additionally, it may reflect the positive impact of their physical health supported by proper nutrition on their cognition function. This demonstrates that students athletes can excel both academically and athletically when given the right support and resources. So based on the result of the study, the respondents strongly agreed on the importance of role nutrition in enhancing basketball performance as indicated by the composite mean score of 3.356. This suggests a strong belief that proper nutrition is essential for maintaining energy, endurance, and recovery in basketball. The finding highlights the consensus that nutrition significantly contributes to improving athletic performance among student athletes. So, and lastly, the test of the correlation coefficient showed that the null hypothesis was rejected at the 0.05 significance level. The data analysis revealed that the correlation coefficient R is R is equals to 0.5777 was greater than the p-value of 0.000279. Since the p-value was less than the 0.05 threshold, the results were deemed statistically significant. This led to the conclusion that the null hypothesis could not be accepted. The findings confirmed a significant relationship between the two variables. Therefore, the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball performance is meaningfully linked to student academic performance. And my recommendation given to the consideration of the limitation of the study. It was recommended that for the school administration, administrators need to focus on investing in the quality of nutrition for students, especially athletes. This investment can greatly impact on their performance and overall well-being, both on the field and the classroom. So for the teachers were advised to educate students on the importance of nutrition in enhancing basketball performance by emphasizing its role. Teachers can help improve both athletic skills and academic achievements. And for the students, were advised that proper nutrition is essential for enhancing both physical performance and academic success. A balanced diet can improve physical endurance on the court while supporting cognitive function in the classroom. And for the parents need to encourage their children to recognize the importance of nutrition in both academic performance and sports. By promoting healthy eating habits, parents can help enhance in their children's overall well-being and success in these areas. And for the researcher, it needs to continue conducting a comprehensive literature review, starting with existing research on the role of nutrition in enhancing basketball and academic performance. Additionally, the researcher should explore other factors that can improve the role of nutrition in this area. And for the future researcher, the student of each player should be monitored alongside their academic performance to ensure a balance between being an athletic and a student. This approach will help maintain their physical health and support their academic success. So, for for now, thank you for your listening. I am now ready for your suggestion and recommendation.